Okay, I'll try this again. I'll make sure I'm recording. Yeah. Alright, so because Faylo wants videos, episode 3, electro etching my maker's mark. Pretty simple process. Once I can find my pencil I just lost. So what I've done so far, get this focused where you can see it, is I've taken a small piece of this, what is just leftover sticker paper. Took a little piece of the sticker material and placed on the blade where I want my mark, and then just taped it off with some blue painter's tape around the edge to keep the etchant from getting on the rest of the blade. And now I'm just going to draw in the area where I need to cut out for my stencil. And then I'll very carefully cut out just the area where I want to have this etched. So, if you can see that or not. So, I'm going to cut out very carefully.
Job is to shed light and not to master.
Now I'll just take and peel away the area that I just cut so that it exposes the steel just in that small little spots that I cut out. To clean up this line just a little. Try to get a good clean line. best I can. It's not exactly the best way to do this, but it works. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is get my etcher set up, and I'm gonna probably have to do 2 videos to kind of make sure I have enough video space. My camera cuts off after so many minutes, so I'll do 2 videos. The second one will be the actual etching process, and we'll show you how this gets done. Alright, lighting. Alright, part 2. Losing my light. Might have to redo this part 2. Part 2, etching. This is a pretty simple process. I'll show you what I've done. I've built a little etcher, just a block of wood with a little piece of steel screwed to it. God. Alright, part 2, etching. So what I've got is a little etcher I put together. Block of wood with a little piece of steel screwed to it and a bolt welded to that. And then I've just wrapped some felt on there and rubber banded it on to hold the felt in place. So the other part is just an old 12-volt trickle charger that will serve as my electric source, and then a bit of salt water for the etchant. I'm going to turn this so you can hopefully get a view of what's going on here. I'll try to get this on camera as best I can to show the process here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the positive end here, clip it onto the blade here, and then the negative end will get clipped to this screw here, plugged in, and get this set up. So I'm going to dip in the salt water here, and it's just regular table salt. There's nothing special about it. It's just salt water. Alright, clip this on and get to etching. And I'm just going to hold this on there a few seconds at a time. Get a rag to soak that up down there. And as you can see, it's already starting to cut into the metal a little bit there and discolor it. And I'm just going to do this a few seconds at a time. Going to keep going until I get to the point where I feel like it's cut deep enough into it and kind of shows the mark well. And I actually did this on another video already, but the lighting was so terrible in here I had to go get an extra light to really kind of show better the process of what's going on here. And hopefully this video comes out better than the last. Having trouble with my clip here. Make sure this is clipped on here good.
Shake those. Used to be the hometown.
just about done. Just trying to get it all pretty even. And I think that looks pretty good, so I'm going to go with that. And we'll go ahead and get that cleaned up and hopefully be able to call that done. We'll get this pulled off of here and see if we can get a good look at how it came out. Video cut off on me. Get this cleaned up real quick and get a look at it, and I'll try to get some pictures also and add to the video if I can figure out my video editing software. And there's a couple little spots where the etchant kind of leaked out past my sticker material, and I'll just have to clean those up on the grinder real quick when I'm ready. But as you can see, it's definitely showed up, and it's well into the material there. So I can get this to focus a little better. There we go. And like I said, I'll try to add some pictures to this so I can figure out my video editing software. But because Faylo wants videos, episode 3, Etching the Maker's Mark.